Sometimes dogs just forget how to dog. Snake! Okay, so just looking at this. Okay, yeah. Pinterest, you need to work on your observation skills a little bit better. That is not a cat. Just saying, it's not a cat. Fix it. Soaking in the attention until you drown in it. I can feel the love. Joby had to have his teeth replaced, so he got to choose his denture type. Go get him, Tiger. Went to a corgi meetup today. The other corgis are all looking at the ball. My dog, on the other hand, is burping really hard. Ultimate dirt mode. That one boy dog happened to be at the vet's that day. She became very distracted. He didn't see the couch coming. I have no idea what I'm doing. Hey. 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 What? Oh. What you eating? The butterfly is butterful. I can see nothing but the butterfulness. When you get a brain freeze, and then somebody asks you a question. Apple, a dog. Well, I'll tell you what you should do. You may not like it, but it will certainly improve your quality of life. He finally realized he didn't have to chase cars to catch them. Of course, he wasn't sure what to do from there. Sims was worried about how low the cleaning standards had gotten in his house, so he took it into his own mouth. That is a mouth. It's time for Name That Image. Can you guess what this image is? Time's up. If you guessed... yeah. If you guessed a dog with a leaf blower right in front of his mouth, then you are correct. If you didn't, you're not correct, but I'm not gonna hold that against you. I guess that's common. If tongue goes one way, the eye goes the other. Chicken nuggets. Oh, give me another one. What on the Jumpkin go? On Jumpkin nuggets? Jazz hands. There is always a camera waiting for this type. Does anyone know what to do when your dog deflates? I hear this is a real issue up in Alaska. She knew cat yoga had gotten popular, so she decided to give it a try. What am I supposed to say? Good job. He was sure his ball was somewhere under there, but he had gotten a bit bigger. Wanna go for a walk? Wow. Who you? I Karate Bogo. Wow, do me a demonstrate, please. Of course, try attack me. Bork, no you. Oh gosh, that's very effective. She did say smile, right? Smile. I got nothing. Scruffy! Get back here! No, I must dance. On the water? Okay. I mean, I'm not gonna say anything. I guess I already did, but I'm not gonna take this any further. No, really, why are you out in the water? Seriously. Dance someplace else. That first day of summer. There was a new mailman that day. The game was all tied up. It was down to Peggy. She knew her whole career stood upon this moment. The ball flew through the air, and... Have you ever been so happy you became a peacock? I can hear this. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Man, I can't believe it. This is the end of my first month doing this, and it's gone by really quickly. Thank you for all the views. I think my top video for this month was obviously my Chong chart one. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Don't forget to share them as well, and keep commenting on my pages. I'll try to get to those when I can. Have a good day.